Hey everyone! So you cut your track into many clips and now you want to merge them together. And yes, you have such an option in Premiere Pro. The first thing you should know is that you can do this with both video and audio clips. So if you want to merge only video or only audio clips, then first you need to unlink the video from the audio. Now you can work with the tracks separately. Hold down the Shift key and select the clips you want to merge, or you can use the mouse for this. Next, right-click and select Nest. This will create a new sequence. Here you write any name for the new sequence and click OK. As you can see, the new sequence has been created and your clips have become one.